Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to recreate this look, and this is the Soptomi morning look. This is a very subtle yet very gorgeous look, a perfect daytime look. I have created a dewy finish base with golden eyeliner and plum lips. So to know how I created this look, how I got the dewy finish, please keep on watching. And please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you still have not. Also to press the like button if you're liking this video. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use a serum, and for that I'm using the Neutrogena Fine Fairness Serum. Serum will give you a from the within glow, which I need for a dewy finish. Next I'll moisturize my face with Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Since it's a daytime look, I will be using a sunscreen, and for that I'm using the Lotus Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. This is a very nice sunscreen, and it is very good for especially oily skin because it gives a mattifying cover, and it doesn't make your skin all oily and greasy like most other sunscreens do. Also, don't forget to put sunscreen on your neck and hands. Next, for primer, I am using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I have a review of it on my channel, so make sure to watch it. I will link it somewhere here. Next, to conceal my dark spots, I am going to use the Color Essence Concealer in the shade Beige. I'm just using it to spot conceal my dark spots. After concealing, it's very important to set the concealer so that it doesn't move around with the foundation, and for that I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact, and I'm in the shade NC41. Now since it's a dewy finish look, I'm going to mix my foundation with Miss Claire Born to Glow Illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. And for the foundation, I'm using Focallure Skin Evolution Foundation, and my shade is 04 Natural. So I'm going to take a little amount of the illuminator and mix it with my Focallure foundation. And with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. You can see I already got the dewy finish glow on my skin, and it's perfect. So moving on, I'm going to again set this with my MAC Studio Fix Compact. I recommend you to set with a compact after every step so that your makeup becomes extra long lasting. To conceal and highlight, I'm using the NY Bay Concealer in the shade Golden Central 3. Just concealing my dark spots. Bridge of nose and forehead, and also the eyelids, and then blending everything out with the beauty blender. And again setting the concealer with my compact. Now for the brows, I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil and just filling my brows with it. Since it's a daytime look, I'm gonna do my eyes very simple, and for that I'm using Maybelline the Nudes palette. Just taking this copper glittery color. I'm gonna do my crease with this. And I'm gonna place the same color on my lid with a flat brush. Just to give it a little more intensity, I'm just going to place a black shade on the outer corner of my eyes. And then blending everything out again with a fluffy brush. Now to draw my upper lash line, I'm going to use a beautiful gold eyeliner from Miss Claire, and the shade is 08 Gold. And then highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and also my brow bones with this shade from the same palette. I'm putting the same copper color which I used on my lids on my lower lash line. And then tightlining my upper and lower waterline with Plum Kajal. For mascara today I am using the Lakme Iconic Eyes Mascara. Then I'm using a Color Essence bronzer and bronzing the hollows of my cheek, my nose and all the usual areas. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Just doing it very lightly on my cheeks. For highlighter from my Maybelline Nudes palette, I'm using this shade, just highlighting the high points of my face, my nose, chin, and my Cupid's bow. For lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade Plum Yum. And this is the finished look. And I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.